Take a look at your trailer. Okay, where's your trailer at?
Where are you going now?
Hello. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. What I'm doing right now, I'm grabbing my straps, picking up 2 vehicles, and I think we have about 15 minutes until they actually open here. We got here a little early, so we're like 35 minutes away from Stockton. An hour and 10 minutes from San Francisco. And you're looking at a Kaufman Easy 4 trailer, 3-axle. So this is one of my compressors right here, airing up this tire. I'm off by a little bit here. I'm gonna back up and go forward. Okay, hopefully this car don't shut off on me because it's got a battery problem. I think this is fine right here. Let me double check it. I'm gonna get off the car and put my emergency brakes on. That looks good right there. Wow. Finally got it right. Should I leave it running so I could charge up the battery? Just drive it like that on the trailer?
I'm saying no.
Yeah, absolutely not. I don't recommend anybody do that. Leave the car on. It's not legal. I'm gonna turn the car off. Roll up that window there. That way none of this garbage flies out on the highway. Hopefully this car will turn back on. Oh yeah, there we go. It turned back on. Thank you. All right. It's a busy road. Should I put my vest on? Looking good. So far, so good. Excuse me.
2 recoveries this morning. One is already loaded, and then we're about to go to the second location to pick up the second one. Oh, this delivery location doesn't open until 9:30, and we're in Modesto. So, of course, it's a late start day.
Well, we could always go have a breakfast burrito at Jessica's.
No, that's okay.
Hey, they're good. Come on.
They are good.
I'll give it a 10.
It's 10:23. We just made it to our second pickup of the day. He already pulled out the car. Now we're getting ready. He's going to go ahead and load it up.
Let me know why I'm 1 inch from those rings.
Stop!
We're back up?
Right there.
You sure?
I think so. He's going to go ahead and use the rings there in front of the tire.
This is what you don't want to do when you're strapping, using these straps. Oh, that's good right there. This is what you don't want to leave. You want to get at least 1 full turn and a quarter. You don't want to leave this like this. You see this? It's not a full turn.
Oh, I see, I
I don't know
see.
if you can see that right
Yeah,
there.
there's a bar there.
So you want to get a full turn. You never want to leave it like that. See, we're like this. I just want to get a full turn. Okay, that's about more than a full turn. That's what you want.
And how you avoid that is putting the strap a little closer to the wheel.
All right, let's go to Tracy.
Yes, we're headed out to Odessa, Golden Gate, and Tracy.
All right, back up. Someone stole your ramp?
No, someone stole his, so I let him use one of mine.
Oh, hey, that's why. Always lock them up. Always, man.
I didn't think they were stealing.
See, right here.
Oh, you just put one lock on
Yeah,
it?
no, 2 locks.
Oh, 2 locks.
Yeah, 2 locks.
But see, mine, I got to drill a hole. I don't have no hole there. See, that's why I got to build something where to build a hole. Did you have somebody do that?
Let's take a look at your trailer. Where's your trailer at?
I got the same. Yeah. Texas Pride. My name is Anthony.
I got an idea for your.
What's your idea?
Okay.
So what I've been doing is I chain them up.
Yeah.
But then when I'm going up throughout the day, I just bungee them. At the end of the night, I just chain them up.
So, get a little steel bracket that goes right here, and drill a hole on the bracket, and you can lock them up. That'll lock up. Okay, it's
Can't come up. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All
Like
right.
you know what I mean, like a thick 3-inch or 2-inch, that wide, and then go all the way to here, halfway.
Okay. All right, I'll get somebody to try to do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, bro. What?
All right.
I have one more idea. So sometimes, you know, when you put the ramps on here and they pop up, how can you put something in between it so it doesn't pop up?
I never had that issue.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna pay somebody to straighten this out. But you know, sometimes this pops up.
Yeah. You know why they pop up? Because you see a little gap right there?
Yes.
That's why they're popping up.
Okay.
You know what? If I was you, weld something at the bottom,
Maybe some
like
rubber tips or something.
rubber tips. There you go. Or
Got
glue them on, and you won't have that popping problem anymore.
Okay.
Because I never had that issue. Mine are more level than yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Javier. I appreciate it, man.
Hey, no problem,
Good
man.
luck with yours. Good luck with
So,
money.
where you from?
So I'm from Sacramento.
Sacramento?
Retired 37 years from UPS. Loving it.
Yeah.
So I retired last year. Got tired of traveling and getting fat. So I said, hey, I got to get back out here and start working, man.
Hey, you got a nice trailer, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You too, man. I got mine from Spokane, Washington. Had to go up to Washington
Yeah.
and drive and get it. Like I said, I've been car hauling for 6 months now. I love it. It's great. It's great. Got a lot of people out here. Great people in the business. A lot of teams, guy, but I'm shocked that there's not a team companionship with this guy. Someone stole his trailer, but like I said, I mean his ramp. Like I said, I love it. 37 years of UPS. My name is Anthony. Snelling Quality Transport, reliable, efficient, and safe. Transportation business for 37 years. Been in management. Been a driver. Anywhere from Reading to Bakersfield. I'm gonna go into LA next year. Give us some good rates, especially since diesel's going down a little bit. All right. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Always lock them up, man. Always.
How many cars is this?
You're looking at a 5 car hauler. 3 on the bottom and 2 on the top. And this one doesn't come with the airbags, but look at the 2 pistons right there. It is very nice. So the new ones are, it's a gray color. Very
And
nice.
this is a 2020 Infinity trailer.
What's the gross vehicle weight on it?
The gross vehicle weight, the GVWR, is 25.9.
25.9. Very nice. Wow.
Now it's getting pulled by a Dodge 3500 with the 54 sticker.
I like the way they got this set up right here. How, look at this. It's probably about 6 foot high right here. And then it kind of curves up like this, follow me. And then once that comes down, it levels off right here. Goes like that.
Did you see the rings in the front? The
No.
hooks?
Are they small, big? What are they?
It's a plate.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a plate of different rings. There's 4 different options.
So
that you
anyway,
can
in the
put your
back
hooks
over
on.
here,
Your straps,
there's
I
a
should
long
say.
piston in the back. Allows that to put the ramps down.
Oh, that is very low.
Hey, it makes my trailer look old compared to that one. But you got to start somewhere.
That's a pretty trailer.
How you doing?
Good, good.
Another day.
Another,
Really?
yeah, we got you on a badass Peterbilt, man, 5-6 months ago.
I'm not there. It's truck's there.
Yeah, it was parked out there.
Where you going?
Pleasanton, I'm done. Slow this week.
It's a slow week this week.
Slow month, man. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a real slow.
I mean,
So what I gotta do? Go to YouTube to see it?
yeah. So we got you under badass Peterbilt, man. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's whenever you were parked on the left-hand side of me.
Yeah. Yeah.
It needs to get polished, man.
It's already
Where you
clean.
live at?
You Stockton?
Oh, it's Stockton?
Yeah.
And you have to go to Pleasanton now.
Pleasanton, I'm out, and then after that, I'm going home.
Yeah, it's slow this week. I'm done. After
Yeah.
this load goes to Sacramento, I'll take it home.
Yeah.
I did 2 loops out of San Francisco today,
Oh, wow.
and back to here, and then pick up these 6, and
Yeah.
I'm done.
It's 12:23, and this is a side-by-side comparison to a Kaufman EZ4 and a Texas Pride 5-car hauler.
It's the same truck, 84 tradesman, except that one's newer.
Let me back up so you can see the trucks. So the same truck, the one on the left is newer, like you said, also a 5500. It has a different front grille, some different hood.
Guess what? This is longer by 2 foot.
Is the Texas Pride. Now the ramp of this Texas Pride is similar to the Kaufman Mini 5 because as you can tell the ramp is when it comes down it's going to be pretty steep. Oh yeah, there is quite a bit of difference.
Yeah.
So the bottom deck fits 2 cars, but 2 small cars, short cars.
Yeah, it's not really made for a. You could put a medium-sized SUV, but any bigger than that, a Suburban, I don't think it'll fit.
Yeah, there isn't as much room down there.
Yeah. But then, what's good about this trailer, if you look at the length from here to here.
Oh yeah, shorter distance.
Compared to mine, that's got more of an overhang, so you got to be real careful whenever you're making a turn. You might end up hitting the car next to you.
Yeah, good point.
Okay, let me do this.